So we booked a cottage view from Taj Aravali, and it had a very nice view. This was the view that we had just outside our cottage that we booked. So actually there are 4 or 5 categories of Taj Aravali Udaipur, where the first one is the standard, and the second one is this one, which is a one level up, that is the garden view cottage. And then there are some tent suites, and there are some luxury tent suites. Then there is only one presidential suite which is made up of glass box, and there is one panoramic view. So this is was our little bit of a veranda type of feel that they have given us. These were little swings where we actually used to sit out and had some pakoras and all. Now, if you can see, we are entering into our room, and trust me, it was actually giving us a very luxurious feel, and I really loved it. So see, this is how the very much entrance looked like, with teeny tiny cute white little elephants. You could move this and we used to just put aside our slippers over there, and this was the wardrobe. It looked amazing, right? It looks like it has something else, but yes, if you would just slide it down, it has a nice little wardrobe over here. And this was usually the space in the hotel room where you put up your luggage and all. And this was the TV. I guess it was a 40-inch TV. Again, this was the coffee area, where they provided the coffee maker. And if you would slide down the doors beneath that table, you would see a mini refrigerator, which was blank, which was empty out there, and I guess it was chargeable. Now these are little couches which were presented, and they welcomed us with this fresh melon juice and some cookies. And this was our luxury style king size bed. And if you could see the curtains, there was another garden, but we could go there from outside our cottage, but you could view it from here, right here. Again, it was a very luxury feel. Now this was the amazing portion that I saw, a separate sit out area. In this was just a cottage view room. It was not a suite, but they provided a separate cottage area, and even the hospitality of the staff was pretty much amazing. So beneath, if you'll go beyond that lid, you would see the actual entrance area over there, which had the swings and the garden beneath that. And beyond that, you could definitely see the Aravalis over there. It was very cozy and comfy. And here you go, it was a very huge mirror, and it was pretty much clear. Actually, it was literally up to the standards of Taj. And due to this COVID season and all, I know the prices of Taj has also gone down, but still it was a bit beyond the usual standards. Now that's the bathroom area. If you'll go inside it, there is this very pretty wash basin made up of marbles again. Then there was a very comfy and cozy bathtub area. If you could see the marble this implantations that they have built in, it was also pretty much amazing. Everything was made up of marble over there, and it looked beautiful and very cozy over there. We literally enjoyed it. It was a typical honeymoon destination kind of a feel. Udaipur Aravlis, Taj Aravlis, if you can say. And the toiletries, as you can see, they offer you the usual toiletries from a very renowned, luxurious Indian brand, Ayurvedic Indian brand, which is one of my favorites. And they also offered handmade butter soap over there. Now if you go beyond it, they had a separate commode area, which simply I really liked, because in most of the hotels, even in luxurious hotels, the bathroom area and the commode area, they actually combine it. and sometimes it is separated but sometimes it's not. Here it was separated, and the difference was, as you could see, there was a separate wash basin area in between these two. It was a total comfortable. It would give you a very good feel and lots of photos because the scenic beauty was amazing. This was a pretty much fountain area, if you could see, and a little maintained garden and a